Everyone always thinks I'm the one that falls.
Oh gosh!
No, it's all that. I didn't slip. Now, it's not like I'm being a mean person. Look, I tried my best, okay? Teo fell again. Ooh, he's on his own. Sorry, Teo. And then there were 3.
Flying buffalo from Buffalo Wild Wings.
What?
Yeah, it does. It's the head, the feet, the wings, and the tail. And the little tail.
I see a raven. And there she goes.
Hi.
Are you ready to roll out?
Yeah, I just unbuckled Charles and Tony here. There you go.
Good morning, friends. So this very early morning, Collie took off, and then there were 3. So it's just me, Bunny, and Mateo. This dog is definitely living his best life. Now, if you recall, yesterday Mateo wasn't with us because he had to deal with some van issues, but he's here now, and it's his first time riding the gondola. Gondola! So, yeah, it's gondola, I know. But anyway, it's exciting because he's got little Lars in his backpack, so it'll be both of their first times.
Don't worry, I'll film Riley getting on the gondola.
Okay, first off, yesterday when I fell, twice. Look, I tried my best, okay?
Wait, stop for a second. Okay, a normal person does this to get in. You know what Riley does? She does this.
No, okay, look.
You know what happens when you do that?
That is true.
Lowers, high-lowers.
He's so wide-eyed right now, like what's happening?
Why are we in this small thing with these people? Oh, cool. It's a beautiful place to live. I'm a little jealous.
You're doing so good, Bubby.
Yes, he's
He's like,
calm
yeah.
now. He's like, yeah, it's not that big of a deal. His
He's so
eyes have
chill.
gotten normal now.
Okay,
Yeah, Riley.
we currently just got off at the San Sofia station. We were parked in Telluride and we took the gondola up because we're gonna hike a trail all the way down back to Telluride. I got it wrong. We are taking this village trail, this loop right here, back to Mountain Village, which looks hard.
What's up?
All the way down to the bottom of Mountain Village. Should be pretty fun. Might be a little weird.
So as you can see, this is not only a super popular system of trails for hikers, there's also a lot of bicyclists and fancy schmancy mountain bikers and runners and lots of doggos. So it's kind of a running joke amongst the friends that, and actually I fully admit this too, I do fall a lot, sure. And I may have only tripped like once, but I didn't fall. I'm not lying. I didn't fall. I did not fall getting into the gondola. Somebody tripped back there.
No,
it wasn't
it was
me.
a slide. It was a slide. It was just a slide.
This trail is all downhill, so
I slid too.
Haha.
See? It happens.
so sliding is common. Like there are going to be instances where we slide
Tripping
down,
is not.
but I am not falling.
This way?
Which way do we go? Is it that way?
It goes around the path that way. The other way. I think it went the other way. It did. Cool.
I know it's kind of hard to tell in this section, but it's very, woo! No, it's all that. I didn't slip. But it's very steep. And like I said earlier, this is all entirely downhill, which is good for not getting exhausted, but difficult for maintaining balance. I'm trying my best, guys. I'm trying my best. Bunny's strategy is to go on the grass. Does she look a little silly? Sure does.
You know what? Small steps win the race. Slow and steady wins every time. Tortoise and hare. I might be a bunny, but I'm not dumb. You can see the mountains in the distance. All of this is also part of their ski area.
See this bridge here? It is for mountain biking because it's got a slide, essentially. What? There you go.
Oh my gosh. How pretty.
Actually, I'm gonna start over here. Wow, that looks fun.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can. Maybe a few other people, but like, it has not worked up for me. To be fair, I did come at it kind of aggressively that one time.
Oh, golly, that hurt. Oh, I cracked my.
What's that? Okay.
We've got Lars out for a little hikey poo. He has discovered something.
Wait, can I narrate it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Into the wilds, the black kitty roams, looking for something. What? We do not know. Is it a squirrel? Is it a bird? Is it just another tree? Does he want to escape us because we're cuckoo bananas? Maybe all of the above. Oh, he is signaling he has found something. It is the lack of humans. He is in the wild. He is in his true habitat as the ferocious king of the forest.
Come on, Bubby.
Halfway there.
According to Bunny's map, over here. Oh,
us.
Charles.
us.
Okay.
I don't want to.
Lars is like, I'm going.
Apparently we are we are halfway. Oh, that's so much better when we get to go downhill.
Yeah, not bad at all.
Oh! Somebody took a dust bath.
Hi, buddy.
We got toe beans. We got toe beans. Someone's getting a little snackaroo.
A little hydrating
A
snack.
little hydrating snack, but look at the toe beans. That's all over his nose. Is this how he eats this?
Usually I hold him just like this. Feed him like a baby.
He's like, it's on my nose. Okay, it's not on my nose now, Dad. And back on the nose.
This is his favorite one. It's the duck flavor. He's just like me for real.
Oh my gosh, I love duck, Lars. We got to this steep decline part here, and I successfully did not fall, guys. I did not fall. Neither did Taya.
Boom! I picked the right path.
Look at this. We found a cabin.
Awesome.
This is kind of cool, an old cabin in the woods. Oh, great. Now I'm thinking of that horror movie. He peeks out and he's like, yeah, I'm okay.
He's looking at the mountain. Hi,
Oh.
mountain.
Maybe.
Come out.
Hi, girl. Hey.
Guess what? Teo fell again. Oh,
no,
I'm winning.
wide angle lens.
Oh no. I want a beer. Apparently, Mateo slid again.
Let's hurry. Let's go on this freaking Mountain Dew before I die.
Oh!
I recovered. This is the smartest way to get down this. And grass.
We're watching Bunny go down the mountain because so far she slipped a few times.
PTSD.
PTSD.
I'm not going to end up on my behind if I can help it. See if I fall. Ha! Okay.
Another steep downward climb. Seeing how Bunny is doing. And now seeing how Teo is doing. They got this. Everyone always thinks I'm the one that falls. And while historically that may be true, I have been doing so good. I'm just saying. So that's the hill we just climbed down. From this angle you can tell it looks actually a bit far more treacherous. Lars came out again for the last bit of the walk. And he looks like he's about to roll in the, yup.
Yeah.
Yup.
You get dirtied up.
Another one of these bike ramps. How fun.
They're beautiful. They're big.
This is a huge one. Look at all of these aspen trees. I love it. Mateo has a tail on his feet.
We're almost there.
Hi, Larsie. We are at the end finally. One last itty bitty scary spot. Guess what, friends? We made it to the bottom of the trail. We've made it to the end. Now to figure out where to go next, because I have no idea. Okay, also, as I said earlier, Mateo and I had taken a bet to see who would fall more, and guess who won that bet? So guess who owes who a drink? What? Oh, yeah, it's probably that way. Technically, we are not done with the village trail because we have to go up this road, but this will get us to the plaza.
It's a cool skinny bridge.
Wow. Look at that town of Telluride. Bunny's favorite place in the world. At least.
I can see my van.
Can you?
No.
We found the water. I am jumping in. I'm so jumping in.
If you fall in the water, it still counts.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Toes goes.
Well, friends, we made it. We finished that hike. I don't actually know for sure how long it was. Bunny said when she checked all trails, it was a 3.5 mile long hike. But other people have been telling us it's a short 2.5 mile hike. It's kind of hard to judge it sometimes. I feel like the trail itself was maybe like 2.5 to 3 miles, but like having to walk all the way back to the gondola station and then take the river walk all the way back to our cars, that definitely was another mile or two. So overall, lots of activity. Now we're back to the vehicles and we're taking like a 5-minute breather, and then we're gonna probably head back to camp. Actually, we're gonna stop at the store first in Mountain Village so we can pick up water and other supplies, and then we're gonna head back to camp and make a meal when we get there. Oh gosh! Okay.
Quite a bit of moisture. So
Oh.
this is much rougher than it normally is. But there is a spot that will house all of us. I am pleased with this. This will work.
Okay, friends, my glasses are super dirty. Give me a second. Sup? Okay, as I was saying, Bonnie's downloading right now. I could download, but we're really hungry because we've been hiking and walking all day and it's time for foods. So, I am in charge of cooking, which is so weird. I've been cooking a lot more this trip than Bunny has because normally Bunny's the one that cooks.
It's your turn.
It's my turn. It's my turn. And as proof that I don't always burn things, I'm gonna cook. So, what am I making tonight? I have some chicken sausages and leftover peppers, and we're gonna make pasta with pesto sauce. We're gonna carbo load because I hiked about 5 miles today. Downhill, sure, but I'm exhausted, and so we need sustenance.
You know what's super fun?
Good enough. I'm not sure where you're going with that. Wow, that's a lot of veggies.
Keeps going.
I will cook with you if someone else will cook with us.
I feel like Charles would.
I feel like Charles wants to win. I'm like, you're coming, you're back.
I've got Bunny as my sous chef right now because she finished downloading, while I continue to chop peppers. Not peppers, sausages. Well, that also sounds weird. Teo is surviving.
I should be eating, but oh, it's incredible. I'm so mad. That's why I'm not eating it, because I had to cook every single meal that I eat.
I know.
I just don't feel like cooking right now.
I changed my shirt because I was splashing everywhere. Teo is still surviving. I don't know why he's not making food right now. Now, it's not like I'm being a mean person and only making food for me and Bunny and forgetting Mateo, but he's on this carnivore diet and I'm making a whole bunch of pasta that he can't have. So, he's on his own. Sorry, Teo. Sorry, Teo. Oh no! Oh no! Don't burn! Oh dear. Oh wait. Dump it in. Careful how you shake it.
That's what she said. It's
Are
just
you using
there.
the whole can of pesto?
Apparently we are.
Should I have?
No.
Probably not.
Why did you dump the whole thing?
Because you told me to dump it
You did
in.
say dump it in.
I've never cooked with pesto before.
You never cooked with pesto?
before? And your first idea is to dump the whole jar?
Well, technically she did the dumping.
You told me dump the whole thing. I was just going off of your idea.
I have Bunny continuing with the stirring. We both tried it and agreed that we have to add just a little bit of salt to it. So while she stirs, I'm gonna grab the salt. What? Oh. What are you doing?
He's gonna sniff it. I'm not falling.
I haven't fell in 12 years.
Walk it out, walk it in.
Walk it out, walk it out. We'll see how that turns out. You do that?
Whoa!
Oh, shoot, give me this. Oh, shoot, did I stop playing?
This is the person that I owe a beer to because they didn't fall. Somehow.
All right, we can't keep any of that audio.
Whoosh! Whooshy, whooshy, whooshy.
Meanwhile, I was like, please don't get my camera raws. Light yourself on fire like I do. Again. I caught that. Oh no, I got oil on my brand new shirt.